which is to, at all times, protect your peace. Protecting your peace is something that only you can do. And it doesn't matter how connected your intimate relationship might be or your relationship with your kids. At the end of the day, you owe it to yourself to protect your own peace to ensure that you're emotionally and mentally strong. Two of the most powerful ways to protect your peace are firstly to ensure that you surround yourself with positive, uplifting and like-minded people. Because if there's one thing for sure in this life, it's that nothing destroys your emotional boundaries more than being around toxic people or toxic relationships. So the answer is to seek out those positive environments, to really be very, very conscious of what you're allowing into your space, into your atmosphere. And that's why every day I like to, at all times, spend at least half an hour to an hour, particularly in the morning, listening to some kind of a podcast or some kind of a stimulus that really helps me to feel good about myself. And it can be a message from somebody that I don't even know. And so it's so powerful that you do that every